Hey guys, I'm gonna be singing It Will Rain by Bruno Mars. As you can see, I kind of upped my sound a little bit. I'm not using auto-tune, I'm not a fan, so don't worry. I just want you guys to be able to hear a little bit better, you know, because my camera mic is not this good. Please make sure that you stay tuned for after this video. I have a very important announcement about UNICEF, but right now I hope you guys enjoy my acoustic cover of It Will Rain by Bruno Mars. Hope you guys like it.
If you ever leave me, baby, leave some muffin at my door, 'cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have, we don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me, no matter how long my knees are on the floor. So keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side, to keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain. I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. If I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing, saying there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. But they're just afraid of something they can't understand. Little darling, watch me change their mind. Oh, I try and try. I pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding. If that'll make you mine, 'cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes won't do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain. Don't just say goodbye. Don't just say goodbye. I'll pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding. If that'll make you mine. Because there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. every day it'll rain.
Tell me what you guys think of the new sound. Really hope that you guys like that. Anyway, I have a UNICEF announcement right now, so please watch it right now. Hey guys, real quick, I just wanted to share a little bit about UNICEF with you. For more than 60 years, UNICEF has been the world's leading international children's organization. According to UNICEF, the situation in the Horn of Africa is the most severe humanitarian crisis in the world. Famine has been declared by the United Nations in 6 regions of southern Somalia. So, the US Fund for UNICEF has partnered with Threadless and BBH New York to launch Good Shirts, which is a clothing line to aid children for Horn of Africa. What's cool is that 100% of donations are going to the US Fund for UNICEF to support relief efforts in the famine and drought-affected region. So, you can get a Good Shirt by going and making a donation at this URL right here, which is also in the description at the bottom of this video. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye!